Hello and welcome back for another grammar mini lesson. Today we're going to talk about modal verbs. A modal verb is an auxiliary verb that expresses necessity, permission, or possibility. Today we're going to be talking about pure modal verbs, which include must, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, and might. So, keeping in mind our uses of expressing necessity, permission, or possibility, and which words are modal verbs, let's move on and see if we can see how the modals are being used in these particular sentences. So let's get our happy highlighter here, and let's start by seeing if we can find the modal in this sentence. May I go to the bathroom? May I go to the bathroom? As we can look back at the first slide and see, may is our modal here. May is our modal. Let's go through and see if we can find the modals in each of these sentences, and then go back and look for their purpose. Next, we have Elena can do a backflip. Elena can do a backflip. Can is our modal in this sentence. Finally, we have they might be coming by later. Might is our modal. So let's go back through these examples and see if we can figure out exactly what our purposes are here. May I go to the bathroom? May is asking for permission. This modal is being used to ask for permission. Then we have Elena can do a backflip. We know that we're talking about ability. She has the ability to do a backflip. Now, last but not least, we have they might be coming by later. Might means that they may be coming over, but we can't be sure. So it's simply a possibility at this point. Now, let's see if you can do these next few on your own. All right, let's review some of these answers together. First, let's go through and find our modal verbs. We have we can go to the mall tomorrow. We can go to the mall tomorrow. Can is our modal. Could I be excused? Could. Could is our modal verb here. Finally, we have Manny may call me soon. Manny may call me soon. May is our modal here. All right, now let's see if we can figure out how these modals are being used. We can go to the mall tomorrow. Can go to the mall tomorrow. That means our schedule allows us to go, meaning we have the ability to go to the mall tomorrow. Next, we have could I be excused? This is a question. We can see that it's asking permission. Last but not least, we have Manny may call me soon. This sounds like we're not sure if Manny will call us. That means that right now it's just a possibility. It isn't for sure or certain at this point in time. So let's review. A modal verb is an auxiliary verb that expresses necessity, permission, or possibility. English pure modal verbs include must, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, and might. Today, we discussed the different ways and looked at some examples of the different ways that these pure modal verbs can be used in sentences. You all did some excellent work today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next grammar mini lesson.